Did you know a simple white flower can be medicine, beauty, and business all in one plant? Today we are exploring a hidden herbal gem, white hibiscus, also known as Safed Jaswand. Most people know the red hibiscus, but the white variety is highly valued in Ayurveda, skincare, and herbal tea industries. It helps boost hair growth, control dandruff, soothe acne and skin inflammation, manage blood sugar levels, and make calming herbal teas for stress and digestion. Because of rising demand, white hibiscus farming is becoming a smart income option for small farmers. It grows best in warm, humid climates. Use well-drained, loamy soil with pH between 6 and 7.5. Plant using stem cuttings or tissue culture plants. Water every 3 to 4 days. Avoid waterlogging. Apply compost or cow dung monthly and neem cake for pest control. Flowering starts in just 3 to 4 months and regular pruning gives flowers almost all year. Harvest flowers early morning. Sell them fresh to Ayurveda shops or temples. Dry them for herbal tea or make value-added products like hibiscus oil or shampoo. Low maintenance, regular harvest, and steady market demand make white hibiscus a profitable medicinal crop. If you're looking for smart farming with real value, white hibiscus is a great choice. Like this video, subscribe to Discover Agriculture, and comment if you want a separate video on hibiscus oil or tea preparation.